short video on how to replace your sealed beam headlights for your Dodge Raider. I picked up some H6024 Sylvania bulbs. To begin, you're going to unplug the plug on the back of the sealed beam. Then you're going to unscrew the two screws on your left and right turn signals. You're going to take out this bolt here in the center of the grill, as well as this bolt here. After you're finished with that, you can just pull up on the grill. The grills come out. You're then going to completely remove the turn signals, and you're going to pull up on the headlight bezel. Same on this side. You may have to screw in your headlight so that you can get some additional clearance to pull up and out if you're not able to. After that, there are these headlight retaining screws. Apologies for the blurriness. There are 3 in total, so 1, 2, and 3. Mine was rusted here, so if you just pull back on the metal, you'll have enough room to install your new bulbs. And installation is the reverse of removal. After that, you should be good to go. Take care. Bye-bye.